This 2025 Grand Design Imagine 3100 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.